Appliance Factory and Mattress Kingdom, 5-star rated, over 5,000 reviews, guaranteed we beat Home Depot and Lowe's. The nation's largest discount appliance dealer, over 24 stores in 3 states. Visit us at ApplianceFactory.com.
Hi everyone, Chef Mark with Appliance Factory and Mattress Kingdom, and I'm inside my little laboratory here. It's my prep kitchen, and I'm getting ready for a nice fun weekend, 4th of July weekend, and I'm going to be grilling, which means it's time for me to think about my menu. And I know I'm going to be grilling steaks. I got some ribeyes here, and I got some pork loin. This is all going on the grill, but it's frozen like a rock. I bought it when it was on sale. Went ahead and butchered everything, got it in the freezer, and now it's time for me to think about what I'm going to cook. And when I'm cooking frozen meats, I want to thaw them properly. So the wrong way to thaw your meats is just to set them on the counter unrefrigerated. You'll start to hit the temperature danger zone. The temperature danger zone is above 40 degrees and below 140 degrees. Inside that zone, that's when bacteria loves to thrive. So to thaw your meats, or really anything, the best way to do that is in your refrigerator. So today we're filming this on a Thursday, and I'm going to be cooking this on Saturday. So that's the perfect timeline. 2 or 3 days in your refrigerator. Let them thaw very slowly, and that way you get the best results. Also, when your meats are thawing, the ice, which is crystalline, has a chance to kind of dissolve naturally, as opposed to if you speed thaw, you tend to kind of break down the meats a little bit. If you need something right away, the recommended way to speed thaw is to set this in a bowl of water and then have running water trickling over it. You don't want to leave meats in stale water. Well, if you do that, what will happen is that you have a transfer of bacteria. So running water, that is the recommended food safety for doing speed thaw. Of course, you can also thaw in a microwave on a defrost mode, but of course it always kind of cooks your meat a little bit. So think ahead, and that's not only just for the 4th of July, but anytime you're pulling out meats for a thawing, 2 or 3 days, is what we chefs recommend. So this is Chef Mark with Appliance Factory. I'm excited to be back to cooking. I hope you all have a safe and wonderful 4th of July weekend.
Online or locally, save at ApplianceFactory.com. Click the link to learn more.